How to clean a laptop. All computers get dirty over time. However, laptops tend to need cleaning more often because of how they are handled. Particularly if you frequently travel with your laptop, you probably want to clean it at least once a month. A buildup of dirt and grime, particularly on the screen and the keys, can impair your laptop's functioning. Always make sure you shut down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source before you start cleaning it. If possible, you should also remove the battery. 1. Clear surface dust with a microfiber cloth. Fold the cloth and rub it gently across the full width of your screen, back and forth. You may want to brace the screen with your other hand so it doesn't